The 1000 LB Sisters universe continues to spiral into even more intense and jaw-dropping drama as Amy Slayton's whirlwind relationship with her new fiancé Brian now faces its most controversial headline yet. Is Brian abandoning his own kids to play house with reality star Amy Slayton? That's the shocking allegation swirling across social media, and fans are demanding answers. What began as a story of second chances and late-in-life love is now morphing into a complicated tale of responsibility, heartbreak, and public outrage. Amy, who has been through heartbreak, divorce, motherhood, and massive life changes over the last few seasons, finally found what looked like happiness again when Brian entered the picture. The pair quickly went public, appearing cozy and enamored in a series of TikToks, Instagram stories, and behind-the-scenes leaks that confirmed their relationship status. Fans were stunned when Brian proposed just 5 months into the relationship, sealing the deal with a mysterious, spooky-looking engagement ring that left fans divided. While some cheered Amy on for finding love after so much emotional trauma, others questioned the speed of the engagement, Brian's past, and now, his parenting. What many viewers didn't initially know was that Brian reportedly has children from a previous relationship, and according to online chatter, he's rarely seen with them. The growing accusations claim that ever since Brian started dating Amy, he's been spending more time filming TikToks, attending Slayton family events, and cozying up in Kentucky, while his own kids allegedly get left behind. While neither Amy nor Brian has publicly confirmed or denied the rumors, social media has been ablaze with armchair detectives and self-proclaimed insiders who insist Brian's parenting history isn't as squeaky clean as Amy's fans might hope. According to multiple fan posts and supposed exes speaking anonymously, Brian has a checkered relationship history involving custody disputes, lack of consistent visitation, and past allegations of avoiding child support. While none of these claims have been officially verified, the whispers have grown louder, especially now that he is suddenly stepping into a father figure role with Amy's sons Gage and Glenn. Many are wondering, how can Brian play stepdad to Amy's boys while his own are allegedly being neglected? This revelation has triggered fierce debates across online communities. On Reddit, threads titled, "Why is Amy's fiancé never with his kids?" and "Does Brian even support his own children?" have attracted thousands of comments. Many users are expressing concern for Amy, warning her not to repeat patterns of trusting men who may not be ready for family life. Others are more focused on the well-being of Brian's biological children, who are now being dragged into a public media firestorm they never asked for. Some are even calling for TLC producers to address the situation on camera if 1000 LB Sisters returns for another season, demanding that viewers deserve transparency when new cast members enter the show with baggage. What adds even more fuel to the fire is Brian's apparent radio silence. Despite being very active on social media with Amy, Brian has never once posted about his children, mentioned them in live videos, or even hinted at their existence, leading to even more suspicion. Critics argue that a loving father wouldn't suddenly cut ties or go mere unless something serious was going on behind the scenes. Others, however, are urging fans to consider that Brian might be protecting the privacy of his children, especially if he's in a contentious co-parenting situation. Still, when someone begins to take on a very public role in another child's life, it's only natural for fans to question what's happening off camera. Amy herself has been unusually quiet about the entire situation. Normally quick to clap back or speak out on Instagram when trolls target her family, Amy has made no effort to clarify whether Brian has children or what his relationship is like with them. Her silence has only amplified speculation. Is she hiding the truth? Does she not know the full story herself? Or is she being manipulated by a man who may be showing her his best face while hiding a darker reality? Some fans fear Amy might be rushing into another potentially toxic relationship, especially after her emotionally turbulent break-up with ex-husband Michael Halterman, who she also accused of being an emotionally distant father. Could Amy be repeating a dangerous cycle? And then there's the issue of the kids themselves. If the allegations are true, and Brian truly has abandoned or distanced himself from his own children, what kind of long-term damage might that cause? Parental abandonment, especially when driven by new relationships, often leads to resentment, trauma, and deep emotional wounds in children. Experts weigh in, warning that children who feel replaced or neglected by a parent can struggle with abandonment, use, anxiety, and depression. If Brian is indeed choosing Amy and her sons over his own flesh and blood, it raises serious ethical questions, not just about his character, but about what kind of stepfather he could ever truly be. Meanwhile, some defenders of Brian insist the story is being blown out of proportion. A few commenters claim that Brian's ex made it difficult for him to see his children, using the legal system to restrict visitation. Others argue that if Brian truly was a deadbeat, Amy would have found out by now. They believe Amy is no fool and would never allow a man into her son's lives without understanding his full background. They also say Brian seems genuinely happy with Amy and her boys, often spotted taking Gage to the park or bonding with Glenn at family outings. For some, that's proof enough that Brian is ready to commit and be a strong father figure, regardless of his past. Adding to the chaos are unconfirmed reports that one of Brian's exes may soon speak out. Allegedly, someone claiming to be the mother of Brian's child has been in contact with several YouTubers and gossip blogs, promising to spill the full tea on his history. If she goes public, it could permanently alter how fans view Brian, and could potentially impact TLC's willingness to feature him on screen. It's also possible that this ex may have her own motives, whether it's jealousy, unresolved feelings, or wanting to protect her child from being dragged into the limelight. Either way, if the story breaks, Amy and Brian's fairy tale romance might suddenly come crashing down. It's a sensitive, murky situation. On one hand, every parent deserves a chance to grow, evolve, and be better. On the other, walking away from your children to start fresh with another family never sits well with the public, and it shouldn't. Whether Brian is a misunderstood father dealing with private struggles, or a man who genuinely abandoned his children for love and fame, fans demand clarity. And Amy Slayton, with her loyal and passionate fanbase, may soon find herself caught in the crossfire between love and accountability. As for the TLC producers, they remain tight-lipped. No comment has been given about Brian's role in the upcoming season, or whether these allegations will be addressed in any official capacity. Given the show's history of exposing raw, unfiltered moments, from Tammy's rehab struggles to Amy's heartbreak, it would be a surprise if the network didn't seize the chance to turn this scandal into gripping content. But at what cost? The Slayton sisters have always attracted attention because they are messy, real, and unapologetically flawed. Fans have watched them cry, fight, lose weight, relapse, and love again. But introducing a potentially scandal-ridden new fiancé, especially one with serious parenting questions hovering over him, takes the drama to a whole new level. And while some fans are eager to see how it all unfolds on camera, others are urging Amy to slow down, protect her children, and make sure she's not being love-bombed by someone who left his own kids behind without looking back. The internet is brutal and quick to judge, but sometimes there's smoke because there's fire. Until Brian speaks out, or Amy breaks her silence, the mystery will only deepen. For now, all fans can do is watch, wait, and hope that whatever is happening behind the scenes is being handled with honesty, love, and responsibility, especially for the children who didn't ask to be part of this public spectacle. And if history tells us anything, it's that the Slayton sisters never stay silent for long. Whether it's a breakup, a baby, or a betrayal, they always come with receipts eventually. Will Brian finally speak up about his past and clear his name? Will Amy continue to stand by him if the allegations prove true? Is this the beginning of the end, or just another dramatic chapter in a love story already on the edge? Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.